Okay. What's up, you guys? Jenna here from Studio Physique Dance Fitness, and we're going to be doing a quick stretch cool down. So go ahead and join me and grab a mat. If you have a mat, grab some water, and let's go ahead and get started. Feet together, parallel position. Roll the shoulders back, nice and slow. Take it back. Deep breathing, couple more. Good, inhale here, plie, reach up. Exhale, open up, head releases. Good, do that again. Inhale, open up.
Be my blood.
Two more, just like that. Maybe get a little bit deeper in that
Or shoot the moon. It wouldn't be enough.
Last one, take it down.
Be my boots.
Good, again, roll those shoulders back. We're gonna take one arm over, and then nice and carefully just pull it over as we reach out the opposite
Be
hand.
my hand.
And breathe.
And I'll paint your picture, darling, the best I can.
Flip the palm up.
Be my heart. And I've got you in the end.
Good, other
Wish
side,
I had
palm
you
down.
from
Carefully pull the head over. Breathe. Flip the palm up. Good, both hands clasped behind the head, and then carefully let the head fall forward. A little bit of pressure. Feeling that in the back of your neck, all the way down your back. Good, releasing your head down. We're gonna turn to the side. Oops. Again, feet are still in parallel position. Inhale. And this time we're gonna dive flat back all the way down. Forward fold.
Thought I saw a girl brought to life.
In, shake out the head.
She was warm, she came around, and she was dignified. She showed me what it was to
Go
cry.
ahead and bend that right knee.
But you couldn't be that girl I adored. You don't seem to know, seem to care what your heart is for. But I don't know her anymore. There's nothing where she used to lie. The conversation has run dry.
Switch.
That's what's going on.
Take a little twist.
Nothing's fine, I'm torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold and I'm
Switch, other side.
lying naked on the floor. Illusions never change into something real. Wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is torn. You're a little late.
We're gonna walk it
I'm
out
already
into
torn.
downward dog. Press those heels back into the mat. Couple of treads here.
So I guess the fortune teller's right.
Press everything back. Heels go into the mat. Think about lengthening your spine.
You crawl beneath my veins and now I don't care, I had no luck. I don't miss it all that much.
Good.
There's just so many things that I can touch, I'm torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I
Couple
feel.
pushes and
Cold and I'm ashamed. Lying naked on
nice
the
and
floor.
easy. Think about working
Illusions never change into something real. Wide awake and I can see
Good.
the
Drop the
perfect
knees.
sky is torn.
And go ahead and open
You're
up just a little bit. We're going to push back into
I'm already
child's
torn.
and long spine. Release the head down.
There's nothing where she used to lie. My inspiration has run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's right, I'm torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold and I'm
Plant those hands.
lying naked on the floor. Illusions never change
Keeping the opposite
into
still
something
down.
real.
Making sure that
Wide awake and I can see the
and go ahead and
perfect
take your foot
sky
and
is
turn it
torn.
out.
I'm all out
Planting
of
those
faith.
palms down.
This is how
Go ahead and stay here to start.
and I'm ashamed.
Feel free to kind of move through each of these stretches.
I'm already torn.
Option 2, we're going to take it down to those elbows. And if that's too much, go ahead and stay at option 1. Breathing here. Let the head fall. Feel free to close your eyes.
What the hell is going on? The dust has on.
Come out of it if you were down. Turn your foot back parallel and now push the hips back. Still lengthening through your foot and all the way over.
Sinking feeling. Spin.
Think about reaching out of those hips to go over that leg.
And run.
Now pull back and flex that foot. Still down.
Happening when busy streets a mess with people would stop to hold their
Good. Coming back. And push back, forward. And this time go ahead and lift the knee. Lengthen through the back of your left heel. Feel free to plant that hand and use the opposite on the top of your knee for support. Breathe here. Plant the other hand. Walk your feet a little bit closer together and push back into a pyramid. Long leg stretch over the right foot. Head down.
Where pleasure moments hung before the takeover, the sweeping insensitivity.
Go ahead and walk your feet together. Step that foot and pull it in. Forward fold. Rolling up through your spine. Head's the last to come up. Good. Go ahead and turn around. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Inhale. And go ahead and dive down. Flat back. Pull it in.
Catch me around here.
Walking out. Downward dog. Press the heels into the ground. Couple of treads here.
They were here
Into your plank. Pull that belly to your spine. Hold and
that you only meant well, cause you did what you say. That it's all for
good. Drop the knees. Go ahead and open up this time a little bit wider. Pushing back into a frog stretch, so opening up those hips. Lengthen back.
You decided this, what you say. What did she say? Rinse and notes keep falling out your mouth. Mid-sweet talk news, people are going up. Speak no feeling no.
Take the opposite foot, big step.
You don't care a bit, you don't care a bit.
Same thing, knees over that ankle, opposite knee is on the ground. Go ahead and take that foot and turn it out just a little bit. Level 1, plant those hands and stay here. Level 2, let's take it down to those elbows. Breathe here. Good, come on up. Recenter that foot and push back. Stretching out all the way from the top of that foot. Pull in and lengthen.
Lay down your slow. Come settle down, settle down. Let loose your glow. Come settle down, settle down.
Again, reaching out of those hips. Lengthen over that foot.
My arms and the sun in my eyes.
Now flex it back.
I feel safe in the 5 a.m. light. You carry my fears as the heavens set fire. Jump into the heat. Spinning on our feet. In a technicolor beat. You and me. Caught up in a dream.
Back, come forward, tuck that toe, and now lift the knee. Press that heel all the way back. Trying to lengthen that leg nice and straight.
Come settle down, settle down. Swing me your bones. Come settle down, settle down. And I feel life for the very first time. Love in my arms and the sun in my eyes. I feel safe in the 5 a.m. light. You carry my fears as the heavens set fire.
Nice long legs and all the way over.
Jump into the heat. Spinning on our feet. In a technicolor beat. You and me. Caught up in a dream. In a technicolor beat.
And think about really pressing that opposite heel into the ground as well.
I can feel you when you lose control. When you're walking on the white tube. We're moving in a technicolor beat. Moving in a technicolor beat.
Set that foot in for a pull.
Spinning on our feet. In a technicolor beat.
Hug those knees.
Caught up in a dream. In a technicolor beat.
Hands are heavy, roll up through that spine. Whew. All right, recenter on your mat. Roll the shoulders back. Let's go ahead and inhale, exhale, reach up. And exhale, bringing it down. Beautiful job, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a lovely rest of your evening.
And another one bites the dust.